that most of you know what rosin does. Us string players have to rosin our bow to make the hair grippy and sticky. On a rosined bow, the hair will grab the string as we move the bow, which causes the string to vibrate, which creates the sound that we hear whenever we play our instruments. But what would a bow without any rosin at all sound like? I have a bow that is brand new and has never been rosined before. As I tighten my bow, I want you to guess what this brand new bow is going to sound like with absolutely no rosin on it. Alright, I've tightened up this bow for the first time, and now I'm going to demonstrate what this sounds like. Listen closely. Did you guess that it would have basically no sound at all? I'm playing as hard as I can, and I just can't get hardly any sound out of this bow. The hair has not been rosined, so it can't grip the strings, so it's just gliding over the top of the strings, and it can't vibrate. So rosin is good not only for making sure that we have a good sound, but also it just lets us have a sound in general. If we didn't have any rosin, this is what you would sound like. The last thing I want to show you is a close-up of my strings as I play. First, I'll play with a bow that has been rosined recently, and I want you to notice that the strings look fuzzy when I play. That's because they're vibrating very quickly as I pull my bow across them. Now you'll see me playing with my new bow that has not been rosined yet. You won't see the strings vibrate this time, and you won't hear much sound even though I'm playing the exact same way as I did with my other bow.